Look at this giant thing. It's a Kenmore Elite top-load washing machine, and I'm gonna destroy it because the only reason I got this thing off the side of the road. Well, to be honest, I wanted to look at the whatever it's called. I wanted to look at the components on the inside and see how these things work, but this one's too old. This one's an agitator. Oh, gross! Oh, what the hell even is that? Is that like detergent? Ew. No good swings. Didn't even frame yet. Oh, wash the clothes. Kenmore Elite. It's not really elite. Treasure is. Get off. So fancy deluxe. 97. Oh. What is this? I don't know what it is. Come on, I'll get in the bucket. Got a new tool recently. I don't know if I've showed it off yet. It's the Half-Life weapon. There's the agitator. Tough for what I think is just a piece of plastic. Oh, what? Damaging the handle on this thing pretty bad. I wonder if there's anything else we can do to this thing. picks it up like it's the witch's plot. Something just scared the hell out of me. I don't know what it was. What the hell is that? Oh, I mean the... Thank God for safety glasses. Yeah, I'm done with this thing. Now I'm just gonna load it up with my scrap metal